Hello, welcome to our video on how we made our Super Mario house using pre-loved and cheap items around the house. Our son really wanted a Mario house to store his figures in, so we set to work, and even though it's not perfect, we were really pleased with the end result. First we found a small pre-loved bookcase which was £7. We went to a DIY shop where we may have taken a selection of wallpaper samples suitable to decorate our house with. We covered some wood blocks that we had in the shed. We used wood and not cardboard to ensure a good durability when the kids were playing. We then cut up and painted a Pringles tube for the tunnels. At first we painted them green, but then my partner spray painted them for a more plastic look. Next we cut out holes in the shelf with a circular drill bit, but if you don't want to do that you could always glue the tunnels on. We screwed on a small hook as we had a little cage from another toy that we could hang down. We then covered the shelves with some green felt we had from an old poker set. We also added a little wedge to give a slope. So we were then ready to paint the background blue, and Dawson was very happy with how it was going. Next we added some clouds and also these little platforms out of Jenga bricks, and we painted them. We also made these little stairs out of Jenga bricks, and they were so easy to do. We then popped the shelves back on. Placed the tubes in the circular holes. Put the wooden blocks in their places. Some cardboard detail. And it was finished. We added some Mario toys to give it the full effect. And it was time to let the kids play. I can't even see it anyway. Too busy playing.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, you're welcome, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.